Have you ever wondered how far DJI could push the limits of sub-250-gram drones? Well, buckle up because a leaked image of the rumored DJI Mini 5, or Mini 5 Pro, might just be the start of something groundbreaking. There's also talk of LiDAR obstacle sensing and advanced motors, all while staying under that magical 250-gram weight limit. Sounds wild, right? Let's break it down. So this image first popped up from DJI leaker Osita LV, and then Jasper Ellens, who's usually pretty spot on with these things, chimed in with some extra details. The most exciting part? Those extra black sensors between the standard obstacle sensors might be LiDAR, which would mean much more precise obstacle detection. And get this, it's not just the sensors. The leaked photo also hints at vented motors designed to keep things cool. Literally. They help prevent overheating, so the motors run smoothly and last longer. Plus, the lightweight design adds to the drone's agility and efficiency, giving you longer flight times and less hassle with maintenance. It's just another way DJI makes sure their drones perform at their best. Now, this leak comes at an interesting time. DJI just dropped the Neo, and rumors are swirling about another small drone called the DJI Flip. It looks like they're doubling down on the lightweight drone game, and the Mini 5 or the Pro could be their most ambitious yet. If all this is true, we could be looking at a game changer for compact drones. LiDAR in something this small? That could raise the bar for the entire industry. But remember, this is just a leak. Jasper Ellens mentioned a summer 2025 release, so there's plenty of time for changes, or for DJI to surprise us even more. So, what do you think? Are we about to see the ultimate sub-250-gram drone, or is this leak just hype? Hit me up in the comments, and while you're at it, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Peace out.